Meet Botyoo, Instagram automation that actually feels human. It starts with one click. Connect your Instagram, and Botyoo asks only for what it needs: your comments, your messages, your profile, your media. Nothing else. A few seconds later, you're in. This is your home base. No automations yet. Let's create one. Pick a template that fits how you actually work. Reply to comments. Then, pick the post you want to power up. Add the keywords your audience already uses: a word, a phrase, an emoji, and write the message you want delivered straight to their DMs. Now you layer in the behavior. Welcome message, a public reply on the comment, both pre-written, both fully editable. But here's where it really kicks in. Grow followers. Flip the toggle, and before the link goes out, Botyoo gates it behind a follow, gently. And the one almost every tool skips: capture email. Same flip. Botyoo asks for it right inside the DM. They type it in, it's saved to their contact card. And both have follow-ups. If they don't share, Botyoo waits an hour and nudges them automatically. A comment becomes a follow becomes an email becomes an audience. And here it is, the conversation Botyoo will run for you end to end. Back on the dashboard, your automation is already listed. Status, active. Last updated, seconds ago. The moment someone comments your keyword, Botyoo answers. And if a single trigger isn't enough, if you need branching, conditions, full funnels, that's where the Flow Builder comes in. Every flow starts with a trigger. Someone comments your keyword, let's say the word tutorial. Then the welcome, a short message that greets them by their first name and asks if they want what they came for. Tag them. Drop them into a folder, say YouTube leads. Now you can track this audience, filter it later, broadcast to it as a campaign whenever you want. Send the link, a real personalized message, their name, your image, your URL. Botyoo fills in the variable every single time. They get something that feels written for them. A custom button. Watch now, send me the link, whatever fits the offer. And then the part most tools skip entirely, the follow-up. A second message, automatic, that thanks them by name and gently asks for the subscribe. A complete funnel, built without a single line of code. Every person who touches a flow lands here, in contacts. Their username, their email if they shared one, the data you collected, the automation they came through, export to CSV whenever you need. And every DM, automated or human, flows into the inbox. Folders, tags, unread, open, closed filters. The conversation, the automation history, the campaigns they're in, all in one view. One inbox for the whole relationship. And when you're ready to go outbound, campaigns. Name it. Drop in an image, write the message, and pull in their first name, their username, whatever personal touch you want. Then pick who it goes to. Everyone, a specific tag, or all the contacts captured by a specific automation, like those YouTube leads you collected earlier. Botyoo tells you, right inside the editor, how many contacts are inside Instagram's 24-hour DM window, and how many fall outside. So you only spend sends on conversations Instagram will actually deliver. Personalized, targeted, compliant, out the door. And if you ever get stuck, there's a full university built in. Real tutorials, real flows, real campaigns, not lorem ipsum. Running this for a client, an agency, multiple brands? Invite teammates by email. Set their role, owner, member. Pending invites have an expiry built in. Spinning up a new workspace? One click. Fresh dashboard. Fresh Instagram to connect. Nothing leaks across. And the part I'm most excited about, Botyoo speaks MCP. Generate a key, paste the URL into Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Gemini, and your AI assistant can run Botyoo directly. That's Botyoo.